Hello everyone and welcome to Final IT. This will be a quick video explaining how to check the IP address assigned to a CentOS 7 machine. A video that might be helpful to watch before this one is our video explaining how to install CentOS 7, which can be found in the description. Inside your CentOS 7 VM after you're logged in, you just got to enter the command IP addr, sorry with a space in there, so IP space addr. That'll be found in the description so that you can copy paste it from there. Hit enter. You'll see a few different things here, but what we're really looking for is this one right here, 192.168.0.125. That's an IP address on my local network, and I know that because I created this VM here at my workstation and I connected it to the local network. If you are running a VM in a cloud service of some kind on the internet, then you might find like your public IP, which will be a different kind of IP address. It'll be something that you can connect to from any machine. These will become important when you're trying to make connections to these kinds of machines for various services. That's all for today. Thanks for watching everyone. Like, subscribe, and let me know what you think.